Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
This scholar is telling a story that Allah freed a husband and wife from a difficult task. This scholar is telling in Urdu language, but don't worry, I will translate it in English. Before telling the story, you are requested to subscribe the channel, like the video. Thank you. A woman narrated the incident that my husband borrowed 24,000 riyals from a person. Many years passed, but my husband could not accumulate wealth. The burden of debt on his shoulders was heavy. He was sad and worried. Seeing this distressed condition of my husband, the world became narrow for me. One night of Ramadan, I stood up and humbly prayed to Allah. I was crying intensely that Allah should pay my husband's debt. The next day before iftar, I saw my husband talking to someone on the phone. The voice was loud. I felt something bad was happening. Arrived early, but lost contact. I asked, "What is the matter?" He spoke and couldn't speak because of happiness. Tears of happiness were falling. The person on the phone was a borrower, telling that he had left the property, and I just kept silent and didn't understand anything. That I do what? It was as if a mountain had been removed from my head. Thanking Allah Ta'ala came to the tongue and also thanked the borrower. I request you again to subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to comment. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.